Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to change the font family inside your VS Code, or how to set whatever font that you download from internet inside your VS Code. So now for setting the font, you simply go to the settings side, and inside this search bar simply type here font, and as you can see we are using the font here, which is Dank Mono, which I installed it on my system. We are using multiple fonts. This is the structure here. In single quotes, you write the first font which need to be used, comma, the second font, the third font, fourth, fifth. This is the first way. And the second way, you can edit your user setting file right as well. And just search here editor.font family, and here you can set actually the font family. So we are using quite a number of fonts, which is Dank Mono, Operator Mono, separated by comma, in single quotes, in double quotes right here. So we are using 8 fonts right here. So in this easy way, if you have some custom fonts already available inside your system, you can put a property here, editor.font family, and then it will change the overall font. Let's suppose I remove this Dank Mono, I remove this, so now my font will be changed. If I also remove this as well, instantly the font will be changed. So in this easy way, you actually change your fonts by going to your settings file and just writing this editor.font family, and you can also add this font weight as well, which is set to normal. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.